bought one like pump, looks like you replaced the gas tank at one point in time due to a natural gas line, right? So I think it's a natural gas line. Can't say for sure, though. Yeah, it definitely doesn't look like a pump. And over here is the refrigerator freezer condenser that's running. Here's a look inside the unit. You can see the fan there. This, I think it's maybe Emerson, not sure. Can't see the front label on it except for where it says Emerson, but that's for the climate control stuff. But the Goodman's model number is PHK036-1, serial number 0008522611. Currently off, as you can see. Here's a look inside. There's the compressor. It's a Coperlink scroll compressor. And although the duct work isn't very good over here, could have had a better install on it. But yeah, a refrigerator freezer condenser that's running and a Goodman heat pump. Over and out.